Hello everyone and happy holidays. Ngayon po, I will just give you a short feedback about one of the products that I have tried. This one, the Ganoderma King. Yan. Kung maaalala nyo po, in my previous vlog, meron po tayong parang first impression video about the Ganoderma King where I got to unbox the product that was sent to me by GFOXX International. So right now, balikan muna natin yung episode na binuksan ko yung box. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Ayan. Alalahanin muna natin the time that I got the package and basically my first impression about it. Okay. Magandang umaga mga mommies. Right now, I'm too excited because I'm about to unbox a special gift that was given to me by GFOXX International. So, matagal ko nang gustong buksan to, but I am waiting for the right opportunity. This is how it looks like. And let's see what's inside. So, that's their logo. And wow! Look at this. It's super nice. Yeah, it's food supplement. That comes with a facial mask that says we can, we will, we must. Plus, yeah, another facial mask. Yan. This is the vitamins. So what the people from GFOXX told me about this is this really helps us. This really helps us with the immunity or with boosting our immunity. So now let's go to the actual review of this product, Ganoderma King, which I'm about to show to you now. It's my second month na of using this Ganoderma supplement. So far, after taking Ganoderma King, sa tingin ko parang medyo may na-feel ko talaga yung benefit niya kasi hindi na ako masyadong mapapagurin. Nawala yung medyo pagiging mapapagurin ko, although ang aking blood level or hemoglobin hindi siya significantly nag-increase kasi I've been monitoring it and me being anemic since birth, talaga minomonitor ko yan halos every month or by month. Every 2 months, I mean every 2 months. So hindi masyado significant yung naging increase niya sa aking blood level. It's probably because hindi ako masyadong natutulog on time. So madalas akong puyat. Especially nung nag-start yung school nung anak ko, tapos nag-start din yung work ko. Madalas ako mapuyat noon. So I guess somehow nakatulong to dahil kung hindi siguro baka nasalina na ako ng dugo or something. Dahil every month you get menstruation and every time that I have, talagang feeling ko lahat ng pwedeng mailabas na iilabas. So somehow with this as my supplement, wala ako ibang tinake na kasabay nito. I didn't take any ferrous sulfate or iron supplement. So there, I guess that's all I could say. If it works, if this product works, I guess it does. Kasi yun na nga, it really did something good with my immunity. Dahil hindi ako nagkakasakit. Hindi ako naging masyadong sakitin because of this. Okay? You know that it's good that we have all these vitamins and supplements, but you know, just taking this is not enough. You still have to eat balanced diet, get enough sleep and rest, and exercise most importantly para ma-complement go hand in hand siya with all the vitamins and supplements that you're taking. Dahil if it's just this, it's not gonna be enough. So there you have it. Sana meron kayo nagpulot dito sa aking short video about this product review of Ganoderma King. And yun, maraming salamat and happy holidays to everyone.